Good morning, everybody. Today is actually June 11th. I did not vlog yesterday because I just wasn't feeling it. I felt like I just I didn't do hardly anything yesterday. We woke up. I had a rough night sleeping because Ben and Charlotte, and then I could not sleep at all, and Graham had to go to work early, and yeah, so then we woke up and I worked on my garage sale signs. I made some garage sale signs I can't show you guys because it has my address on it, but I took my Cricut machine and I took like those plastic, usually those like really good plastic signs. I made it with a garage sale sign. I used a lot of vinyl. Like, I'm so glad I had it, but it was a lot of work. I wasn't thinking it was going to be that much work, but now I have permanent signs instead of always buying the Dollar Tree ones, because that's all I kept buying is the Dollar Tree ones. And, you know, they'd get ruined or they get nasty or something, and I'm like, why am I keeping these? So I got some really good ones, hard plastic ones, so they'll last me a couple years. I spent $4 a sheet, so I spent like $12 for all that stuff. And it'll last me a lot cheap. It'll last me more years than it was. But Graham and I started bringing some boxes up yesterday. We had like 30 or 35 boxes upstairs in the garage already. He took off of work today. He's gonna set up. Did you open that? No.
No, that was yesterday. Look, this is flip a zoo. As you flip it, it turns to a different animal.
Yeah.
And then it's rare too. Like you get flip a zoo animal.
So Graham took off of work today to get the garage sale set up. He's having some of his co-workers come at 1 o'clock, and it is currently $7.26. It is 7:26 right now. He thinks they were gonna have it all set up by noon, and I'm like, okay, whatever you think. With 2 kids, and yeah, that's fine. Not everything's gonna be priced or anything. So he's gonna start setting up the tables, and then I'm gonna start pricing everything. I want to go downstairs and find more. Like, I'm getting rid of stuff that I bought for like gifts in the future. I'm like, I'm just gonna get rid of them. So I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff. I found some stuff that I didn't know about. I found some stuff that just has random crap in it. But I mean, we got rid of 35 boxes downstairs, and there's still more stuff that needs to be brought up. So I'm like, you know, that's awesome. But Graham doesn't think we need any more tables, and we just use cardboard. We use wood. I mean, we really make up stuff when it comes to that. It's not like, you know, really professional. That's fine, that's fine.
It's like a big one.
Okay, why don't you open it then? So that's what he thinks he's gonna do, that's fine. But I'm, you know, hoping to do a lot. Now, how I have my garage sales is there's the lady in my neighborhood that had a garage sale the other day. And she didn't have any, like, we live.
Got another alligator.
How'd you get 2 of them? That's cool. So the thing is, we live, like, there's a main road, and then you go down the main road, and then there's like a stop sign, and so I have 3 different signs. She didn't have any signs. Ooh, that one, see if that one's a rare one. I bet you that one's a rare one. She didn't have any signs saying it was a garage sale or anything, and like, I saw her like advertise on like Facebook, but I didn't see hardly. Grab the piece of paper either. I didn't see hardly anybody at her garage sale, so, you know, it's kind of weird. But for me, I am in like a ton of groups on Facebook for like buy, sell, and trade. So the night before, so tonight, I will actually take a bunch of photos and I will put them online saying these are the times that we're having the garage sale. And then I have my signs out, and then I put the signs out. So I get a lot of people most people are the people that see my Facebook ad that do come, and then I do get a lot of people that, you know, see my signs. So it's a 50-50 thing. And then what I end up doing is some of that stuff gets lost on Facebook, you know, Marketplace and all that stuff. So I delete that after about a couple, depends on when I'm going to end my thing, but I delete it mid-Friday morning. And I add it again, I push it again saying, you know, this and this and this, because then it's fresh in people's, you know, stories or whatever, and then whatever I have left, I take pictures of that and I post a new one for Saturday. So that's how I do it. I maybe do about 3 or 4 posts.
Alligator.
Oh, it's just a common one. That's okay. But yeah, so that's what I do. That's how I get a lot of people to come. So I'm pretty excited. Graham and I mean, there's so much stuff. I'm looking through some of my craft supplies and I'm gonna get rid of that. Now, whatever I can't get rid of, I am going to post on Marketplace, give it a week or 2, and then whatever doesn't sell, I'm gonna give it to Goodwill. Yeah. Oh, kids, I'm yawning. So that's what I plan on doing. If I don't get rid of it, some of that stuff I don't care. Some of that stuff I will keep and I'll try it again next year. So that is what I'm working on. I'm going to try to find some more stuff, but I will kind of give you guys a little tour. I'm debating on doing like a little vlog. I'll probably just involve it with this vlog because I've done enough garage sale videos. So I'll catch you guys back in a bit. Okay guys, so it's like, what, 10 o'clock I think? 9:35, not even close, but Graham and I are starting to set up for the garage sale. Like, we got it cleaned out, we just got all the tables set up. I'm still bringing stuff upstairs, so I'm pretty excited to get a lot of this stuff out of here. Graham, what'd you pick out? Like 30 to 40 boxes?
40 bucks.
So, hey you guys, that's what we got. So it is like just about 3 o'clock right now. We actually been set up for a while. I need more like of these like stars that I've gotten at the Dollar Tree before because I've written on over a ton of them, so I just need to get more. So my mom and I are gonna run to town anyways because I gotta run to Kohl's, and it's just me and her, which is nice. And then I'm gonna run into the Dollar Tree, and then somebody wants me to make them a bowling cup, so I have to go to Michael's and get a cup. My mom wants a cup, so I have to get a cup there. And then Graham just bought a really cool cards, like, you know, cards that playing deck cards, but he bought a sheet of it before they even cut it, and he wants to frame it. So I'm like, that's fine. So I gotta go to Hobby Lobby because I'm gonna go to Michael's first and see if they have a frame. Otherwise, if not, then I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby. They're right next door to each other, and get some frames. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna get some frames there. So, but my garage sale is like all the way set. I just have a couple of things. I told Graham we need more tables, and he's like, no, we're good, but I'm selling way more stuff. So I'm selling a lot of stuff that I've gotten over the years because I'm a person who likes to buy gifts. But if you guys think about it, most of my friends are done having kids or just pretty much done, and I have a lot of baby stuff, and I know what Charlotte wants and I know what Ben wants, and I'm just at the point where it's like I'm gonna get rid of it. I have so many school supplies, you guys. Like, I've donated, now keep in mind, I have donated 3 of these boxes to the school before. Right before the whole lockdown happened, I donated a huge like Victoria's Secret shopping bag full of pens to the schools, and I've also donated 3 boxes of feminine products. So before anybody gives me crap about, you know, donating the school supplies, I have 4 boxes of school supplies, and I know I will always get deals for them. So I'm gonna sell all this stuff for $1 a piece just because I need it. I do have folders, which I'll probably do 4 for $1 or 10 for $1 or something like that, but I'm gonna sell all this stuff, and I gotta go get 3 more boxes. But we brought about 40 boxes up from the basement. You guys can't even tell. But that's good because that means there's a lot of empty spaces, and that means I can go through it. So Graham and I are hoping to sell at least 75% of this stuff, and then some of the stuff that I know I probably will keep, I'll probably donate some stuff. But we're just, you know, gonna get a lot of stuff. I have a ton of dollar bins. I got like some dollar bins right here and some dollar bins right there. So that is what I'm doing. I got more dollar bins, and I got a free box. I'm gonna fill it up with some more stuff, but I have a ton of like foods and everything, and I'm gonna fill up with way more stuff. I'm gonna put some cereal in it. I'm gonna put some other things in there, and I'm just gonna have that as a free box, so anybody can take whatever they need out of it. So, you know, there's that. But my mom and I are gonna leave, and I will catch you guys back in a little bit. We've already had one friend come over. She bought a ton of stuff, but yeah, so it's getting there, you guys. I'm pretty excited to finally have a garage sale and get rid of a ton of stuff. So I probably go in the basement. My mom's gonna cut my hair tonight, and then we're probably gonna organize the clothes tonight, and then I'm gonna bring more stuff up because I just got more stuff. I keep finding more stuff, so that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably shut the garage door in a couple minutes, but I'll put you guys back. So it is, I think it's like 7 o'clock already. It is 7:26, and I just posted on 8 different Facebook pages about my garage sale, and I've already had people messaging me, oh, is this going on right now? No, like I have it in bold letters that it starts tomorrow. I have the times, I have everything written there, I have all the pictures of all the details. And people are messaging me, and I wrote no holds because I've had in the past this girl who's bought a lot from me in the past, but she last time had me hold it for her. And I did because she takes like a whole box of shampoo and conditioner, but she never like showed up. And then I messaged her saying, hey, are you coming for this? And never responded and never responded. So I ended up selling it. But I refused to hold stuff for people because of stuff like that where I could have sold that whole box, and I didn't because I held it for her and she never showed up. So that was like, you know, a good 20 bucks or 30 bucks that I could have made. But pretty much everything in my garage sale is like $1, you guys. Like, I'm not in it to make a huge profit. This pretty much just helps out a lot of people right now, especially with things going on right now. People aren't having jobs. I'm here to help them. But majority of stuff, of all my stockpile stuff, is $3 and under. I'm not selling anything over. Laundry detergent's $2. Some body wash is $1. Some body wash is $2. Shampoo is $1 to $2. Feminine products, $1. Toothpaste, $1. Deodorant, $1. The expensive deodorant's $2. Shaving cream, $1. Lotion and mouthwash are $2. Razors I sell for $2. And then I got just a bunch of I can't even pronounce it all of a sudden, miscellaneous stuff. So everything is priced, ready to go. I'm gonna get some more school supplies. I'm selling them for 50 cents a piece just because I have so much of it. But I know some people don't think it's right to, you know, sell my stockpile, but the thing is, I'm not in it, you know, to make a profit. I'm in it, you know, just to get rid of my stuff. I mean, I do a ton of deals just to help you guys, and it's like I do more deals than an average person does, and half of the stuff I don't use it. So, you know, I like to, you know, support a good cause. I've donated so much, you guys, you have no idea, and I've mentioned it just previously earlier today that I did it. But tomorrow I'm going to be wearing a mask most of the day. I'm going to have my hand sanitizer. I got to get a notebook and some pens because I have people that place their stuff all over my area. So that's what's going on right there. Hold on for a second. This guy came walking right past my driveway, and he's just staring at me like, what the heck are you doing? And I'm like, dude, I'm vlogging here. But anyways, so my mom's watching that movie Contagion, like the one that's about the virus. If you guys have not seen that movie, you definitely got to see it because it is crazy. But yeah, so I think I'm just got a little bit of stuff. I also posted, like, if you guys ever do anything, I also posted that my boxes are limited. One thing I do get a kick out of is some people come here and buy like $200 or $100 worth of stuff, and they don't bring anything to carry it in. It's like you guys know you're spending a lot enough, and I have all the prices and the pictures when I do sell stuff, and it's like you guys do know what you're gonna get, and they still don't bring any boxes. But now, since I am not working anymore, I don't have a lot of boxes, but we made a lot of tables with the totes that we bought, so that is awesome. I told Graham we definitely needed more tables. Like, no you don't, no you don't. And I pretty much have quadrupled the tables that we've used, because usually we hardly have any of this, but I have just a lot of stuff that I want to get rid of. I'm gonna probably do another update video for the basement tomorrow because it looks a lot different than what it does. There's still a lot of stuff around the basement, but you guys, I emptied a ton of stuff. So Graham and I want to sell about 75% of this, you know, and if not, I might donate whatever I don't sell there's a couple people in the area that are looking for stuff, which I'm totally fine with, you know. Whatever I don't sell, I donate. I donate like crazy too, you guys. So I don't always show it on every single video what I donate, but I do, you know, donate stuff all the time. But I am going to get a couple more things to bring up for the garage sale. My mom is sewing some face masks right now. I got my Alice in Wonderland Cheshire one, but she's gonna sew some a little bit more for me so I have a variety to wear. And then she's making Ben one too, because I want Ben to have one. But yeah, I'm ready for tomorrow, you guys. I'm having the sales in the morning and then in the afternoon tomorrow. And then I'm also having it Saturday morning. So hopefully it turns out good. This will be the best weather we have ever had for a garage sale. My first time we had it, it was cold and miserable and rainy. Last year it was so hot and humid, it was ridiculous. This weather right now, there's no humidity, it's a little windy, so that means there's a breeze and it's not so hot. So this is going to be the perfect weather. There's also a ton of people looking for deals right now because of, you know, everything going on. So I'm pretty excited for that. But yeah, I'm ready to sell a bunch of stuff. So I hope you guys all have a nice day, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. I'm just pretty excited to finally do something about it. And now Graham's outside looking at me like I'm weird, so I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.